Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the driver's and passenger side switch panels on a 3rd generation Dodge Ram. For this I'm using my 2006 1500 two-door model. Unfortunately my driver's side clips broke off the panel, so it no longer stays in place. Dodge no longer sells these panels and they can be quite hard to find for a single cab truck. I managed to find a supplier on Amazon. The link will be included in the video description. I bought 2 just in case the color was slightly off, so they would still match. Starting out with the driver's side, typically you would slip a nylon trim tool under the panel to gently pry it up. I found working at the back and pushing it towards the front is the easiest. However, in this situation, it just lifts right out due to the broken clips. Once out, press the tang on the electrical connector and pull it out. Do this for the opposite connector as well. As you can see, here are the tangs that need to be depressed. Here's the back side of the switch panel. For disassembly of the panel, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws holding on the electrical switch panel to the trim bezel. For this I'm using my OEM Tools 22588 13-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver. It has an impact-resistant acetate handle. Beyond screwdrivers, it also has nut drivers and comes all neatly packed within itself. A link to this from Mobile Distributor Supply will be included in the video description. Once apart, now is a good time to clean the switches if needed. Install the switch panel into the trim bezel. Then install those 3 Phillips screws. Don't over tighten them as it's only plastic. Reinstall those electrical connectors. They should click into place. Then push the trim panel into place. Careful around the clips so they don't get broken. The passenger side, using a nylon trim tool, pry up the panel from the back side. Again, unclip the 2 electrical connectors on the back. They use the same style connector. Press in the tang and then pull straight out. Using a nylon trim tool, gently pry out each of the switches. Each of the switches are slightly different. They do have alignment tabs so you can't mix them up. Clip them into the new trim bezel. Push those electrical connectors into place. Now install that trim panel. Again, be careful with those clips and make sure it's fully locked into place. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this story helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.